on the new product category. Earlier this year, we have launched itel first laptop Able 1. We have received so many feedbacks and felt your passion for more. So today, we are bringing you the brand new itel laptop Spirit 1. itel Spirit 1 is the first laptop in its price range that comes with 3x2 watts plus speakers. It has unique bar-shaped cavity design which improves sound experience. It doesn't just achieve a sound effect that surpasses the previous, but 2 custom speakers that guarantee clear and melodious sound output. Spirit 1 also features a classy high-definition display of 15.6 inches and ratio of 16:9. It has a narrow bezel design, a bigger, brighter and clearer view, giving it a premium look and feel. Talking about performance, itel Spirit 1 is powered by Intel Core i3 processor with Intel Plus 655 display card. This allows easy operations with documents, ensures smooth operations for multitasking when working, web browsing or watching videos. Spirit 1 can be extended to 8 GB DDR4 plus 1 TB SSD. Now you don't have to worry when running multiple applications. The itel Spirit 1 has fast data reading and storage speed with large storage space. When we talk about powerful performance, not just referring to storage capacity and CPU, but also battery performance. Spirit 1 is packed with 51 watt-hour big battery with 65 watts fast charging. One charge can give you up to 8 hours usage time, giving you an amazing battery performance. With Spirit 1, you enjoy multiple connection ports. It has 3 USB ports, VGA ports, micro SD card reader, HDMI ports, and many more to satisfy your needs. Amazingly, Spirit 1 is the first batch of laptops to install with the latest Windows 11. Android apps are also installable within the new Microsoft Store via Amazon App Store. We also have the gaming improvements and revamped design interface, which is more user-friendly. itel Laptop Spirit 1 was specially designed to be your best partner for your work or entertainment. It provides the best design and performance you can get at its price range in the current market.